When watching videos online, people will forgive bad video quality before bad audio. In this video, we'll go over 3 tips to improve your audio quality for video. Tip number 1, film in a quiet environment. The location you record has a huge impact on your final audio quality. Try to pick a quiet room without much echo. If you're able to, turn off any appliances that might make extra noise.
Sorry.
If you're filming outside, stay away from noisy roads and try to avoid recording on windy days. But if you must, cover the microphone with a windscreen to avoid wind noise in your recording. Tip number 2, use an external microphone. You might start off by using the microphone built into your camera or phone, but this won't produce the best audio quality.
This is an example of the camera's built-in microphone.
A great early investment is an external microphone that can plug into your camera's mic jack. 2 options are a shotgun mic that sits on top of your camera or a lavalier mic that clips onto your clothing.
This is an example of a lavalier microphone.
Tip number 3, move the microphone closer. By moving the microphone closer, you'll be able to increase the volume of your own voice relative to other noises around you. Lav mics do this well because they're positioned close to your head. If you have a shotgun mic, you can use it with an extension cable to move it closer to you.
This is an example of a shotgun mic placed right above me.
If you don't have an extension, or are using the camera's built-in microphone, moving the camera setup closer will also help.
This is an example of a shotgun microphone on top of the camera. This is an example of the shotgun microphone with the camera moved closer.
No matter how expensive of a mic you're using, trying out these 3 tips will create a huge improvement in your audio quality. If you have any other questions about recording audio for video, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.